Simplicity runs through every element of the range, beginning with choosing the right machine. We've transformed a range of 16 Undercounter machines into just 4 models. We achieved this without any compromise. These 4 models deliver everything operators need and want. Simply choose the size that works, C400 or C500, and add an integral water softener if required. In simplifying the range, we've actually added more. Every model now includes a drain pump, rinse booster pump, and a chemical pump as standard. All cabinets and doors are double-skinned, reducing noise and heat loss. Every model is RAS compliant with a Type AB air gap. An integrated water softener is an option across the range. Simple, reliable, robust. Every model can be commissioned as a glass or dishwasher, and setting up the machine couldn't be simpler. It's just a few presses of a button. This means that each machine can be configured very quickly. Other setups are just as easy too, such as setting up a machine for a distributor-managed rental option, for example. Our machines have always been easy to use, and that hasn't changed. Press on, press wash. Simple. Looking inside the machine, the new wash arms deliver excellent wash results. Once the wash has started, a handy progress bar shows what stage you're at and how long you have left until the wash or rinse is finished. And so we come to simple cleaning. Important to deliver great wash results and prolong the life of the machine. First, the click-in and click-out wash arms can be easily removed for cleaning. Then, the moulded basket rails make it much easier and faster to clean. The double filters protect the machine's pumps, and they're easy to remove too. And you can see how easy it is to begin a deep clean cycle. New for this range, we've created a Classeq app for operators and technicians. The app offers access to user guides, machine settings, monitor data, and service information. Simply scan the QR sticker on the front of the machine and download the app, which will be widely available on the App Store and Google Play. The app uses a simple Bluetooth connection to talk to the machine. And there's also a special access section for technicians, where they can access the technical documentation and run diagnostic checks. Servicing is especially simple, with most fixings easily accessible using just a standard Phillips head screwdriver. We'll start with the heart of the machine, the mini sump, the boiler and rinse unit, the wash pump, the built-in water softener, the dosing devices, and finally, the drain pump. And this drain pump is even easier to work with a simple click and twist action to remove and reattach. Overall, this machine is easy to access and simple to service, all with the minimum of tools.